So you might be planning out your dinner right now. Maybe you're thinking tacos, but instead of pollo, maybe chicken of the trees, and it could mean helping our South Florida environment. Piles on piles of stunned iguanas, scooped up in the cold snap, have been handed over to FWC. Others, though, are helping you find dinner.
So rather than let this one go to waste, we're gonna make tacos.
They look good and they smell good, but now it's time to see how they taste.
South Florida content creator Gray Davis is raking in more than 13 million views on social media with his recipe for iguana tacos, and people can't look away.
It's definitely been, polarizing. There's the people that are like, if you fed it to me, it looks good. And then there's the people that are like, absolutely no, you are out of your mind. It's pretty similar, I would say, to chicken. Here, they're just taking off. In their native range, they're actually like declining in population. A lot of people will make many traditional dishes with them. They're considered a delicacy.
Even the eggs end up on his plate in his own version of guacamole.
Describe the eggs to us. And is that also a delicacy?
Nothing goes to waste. And the eggs I've made in the past, I actually made like a iguana egg custard.
Davis says the tacos aren't the real headline, though. His goal is getting people to rethink Florida's invasive species.
With the food insecurity that so many people have, I was always taught that if you're gonna end something's life, you got to use every part of it. I actually caught a Burmese python, and I made 5 different recipes out of it, and then I used the skin to make a pair of shoes.
Davis says for him, it's simple: sustainability and a little creativity.
What we're trying to do is just reduce the waste as well as encourage people to take out the invasive species to help the native wildlife and turn a negative for the environment into a positive.
Now, when Davis says he wants to use the entire thing, he also means the scaly skin, too. Now, they're not that big, so he was thinking something small like a keychain, but his most popular request is to create an iguana purse. I'm Joshua Cole, Gulf Coast News.